Hi, what I have today is the ERA Fortress, and hopefully I'm going to pick this for you today. There's the button on the key. It's got some high lows there, and the lock does work. So hopefully we can get this picked and then I'll open it and take a look at the levers. It is a 5 gauge and you do need a different wire than what you'd normally need. Just angle it. So I'm all the way at the front and just got a little click out of 3 there. Under 4, click out of 5. I think 4's in gate. So 5, 4, 3. Two, 1. And there you have it. Now I have picked this lock before, but I just wanted to pick it on camera for you guys. And also, with looking at the key, you can tell which ones are high levers and which ones are low levers. So I don't really want to mislead anyone into thinking that was the first time I'd picked it. But yeah, I just wanted to let you know that, and now we'll take a look at the levers. Sorry, big fat hand in the way. It is all about the feel in these locks as well. You've got to know the difference between a false gate and a true gate. And I think this is going to ping. Nope, we're alright. I hope. So, first lever is a 7 with the false gate on the bottom. Sorry, mine went blank there. Second one is a 1. So to go from one extreme to the other with the false gate on the top. Lever 3 is a 3. False gates on the bottom. Lever 4 is a 7 again. So those were those low lifts. So 1 and 7 were really low lifts. 1 and 4 were really low lifts. And the false gate's on the bottom there. And then the final lever is lever 3 with the false gate on the bottom. So there you have it. The ERA Fortress, picked and gutted for your pleasure. I hope you enjoyed it. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.